All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So describe. Describe. To explain something. What it looks like, how it behaves, etc. What colour is it? What shape? A long, tall thing. Can you describe it? Yeah, like, I can describe this hat. Yeah, I can describe the hat. It's light, fluffy, and warm. Light, fluffy, and warm. Very good. I want to describe them all. Yes, we need to describe it in the book. We need to describe what we see in the book. Very important, yeah. How can I describe all these spices? All these spices and foods. Yeah, describe them. How? Yeah, different flavors, different spice, different strengths, weaknesses, and beyond. Yeah. So she described what happened last night. She's describing what she saw last night. What she saw last night. Yeah, what she saw last night. Yeah. I am describing the monster now. Yeah. Monster. Yeah, this monster now. There we are. Oop, monster. There we are. There we are. Describing the monster now. Yeah. Very good. Let's just move that there. Yeah. Yeah. Change that. So, can you describe the monster? Ugh. Yes. Red skin, long nose, and big eyebrows. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Yes. They think they can describe it, but it happened so long ago they might have forgotten everything. How can they describe it? It happened so long ago. It happened so long ago. It's out of memory now. It is out of memory now. Yeah, they forgot. They must have forgot by now. Must have forgot by now. By now, yeah. I guess so. Yeah. Yeah. So I will be describing the characters in my books. Yeah. Describe how they look, how they act, how they behave, how they dress. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use describe in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.